Today, you'll learn how to combine several Word documents into one PDF. First, open your browser and search for PDF24. Open the PDF24 website. Then, click on the Merge PDF tool, which is usually the first one on this site. Now, click Choose Files and choose all the Word documents you want to combine into a single PDF. You can select multiple files at the same time by holding the Control key while clicking each file. Then click Open. Once all your files are uploaded, make sure they're in the correct order. If needed, simply drag and drop them to rearrange the files. Now click Merge PDF and wait a few moments while your combined PDF is created. When it's ready, click Download. If the download doesn't start automatically, click the Download button again. Finally, open the downloaded PDF and you'll see that all of your Word documents have been combined into one PDF file in the same order with the formatting preserved. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.